This call is now being recorded. Again.
Saleja, are you there? Can you start?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So,
Can you
sir,
speak?
I think we can start.
Thank you.
Saleja, you can introduce and all, and maybe a formal way. Then Susa will take over.
Have a
Please.
small introduction of all. Let us try that 30-second introduction. That BNI practice. We can practice that introduction. Everyone must introduce himself, herself in 30 seconds, telling about name, location, expertise in 30 seconds.
That will be great.
Let's start with the A, B, C, like that. Whose name starts with A? No one? B, C, D. Yeah. Or madam, you can tell the names. Who should introduce?
Okay, sir.
Or please volunteer. Whoever volunteers first to speak first for 30 seconds.
Sir, there is a name Chase Infinity and Guru Prasad Acharya, HMS Jalaluddin, J. Subramaniam, James Binod.
No, Class Infinity 2019. You can introduce fast.
30 seconds. No less.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Karnataka
Good evening to all.
AH.
I also request if everybody can switch on their videos, so they can see each other, can know each other. The purpose is to know each other.
Hello, sir.
Yes, please go ahead in 30 seconds.
Kusal Garg.
I am K. Lakshmana Babu. From Trichy. Hello, sir. Is it clear?
Yes, here.
Okay, so I am K. Lakshmana Babu from Trichy. So I have passed my energy auditor course in the very first set with the number 0834. I am having 25 years of teaching and 8 years industrial experience, but not entered into the energy auditor field. Now I ready to in this area. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Mr. Radlingu Raveli. Mr. Radlingu Raveli. Okay, Mr. Vivekanand.
Good evening. Dr. Vivekanandan, PhD in boilers, 20 years of experience in boilers and energy audit. Overall expertise with CFD, computational fluid dynamics, where I am utilizing the CFD for energy audits. CEO of a company called Trike. where we are focusing on FGD application, air pollution control, FGD and semi-dry FGD, sir. Thank you.
Next volunteer.
Yeah, I can start.
Yes, please.
Yeah, good evening to you all. This is Vilas Patil. I am presently located in Saudi Arabia. Basically having 20 plus years of experience. Basically a chemical engineer. Presently working as a safety engineer with SABIC. And now leading the activities in SABIC or the carbon neutrality and the energy assessments for their plant. Thank you.
Mr. Kulandi here.
Yeah, it is Kurandavel Muthuswamy. My name is Kurandavel Muthuswamy. Basically a mechanical engineering graduate, working in the field of green certification like LEED, GSAs, like IGBC certification and stuff. Primarily into energy simulation work, and have a little bit of experience in energy auditing also, and certified energy auditor. That is all about for now. Thank you.
Mr. Barun Gupta.
Hello everyone, myself Varun Gupta, and presently I am working with Airports Authority of India, posted at Khajuraho. I am engineer by profession. I have got around 9 years of experience, total experience. The experience of 8 months, 7.5 years I was in Madhya Pradesh Electricity Board as an engineer. After I joined Airports Authority as a manager, and also I am certified energy manager from BEE, and looking forward to have clearing that energy audit exam and to have more and more experience and knowledge in the field of auditing. Thank you.
Mr. Kushal Das. Mr. Kushal Das.
Good evening to everybody. Hello.
Mr. Kushal Das, please go ahead. Please go ahead, sir.
Myself Kaushal Garg. I am from electrical, basically electrical engineer, and I have experience 18 years in power.
Mr. Krishna Jat. Krishna Jat ji.
Myself Kaushal Garg.
Mr. Murthy. Yes, please go ahead. Kaushal, please go ahead.
Myself Kaushal Garg. I have experience in power plant since 18 years in electrical maintenance and operation, and I am basically electrical engineer, and I have cleared certified exam of energy manager in 2019. Presently I am working in Vardhaman. I live in Bhopal. Thank you, sir.
Next is Mr. Suresh Sekhar. सुरेश जी, आप अनम्यूट कर लीजिए, प्लीज काइंडली अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ.
Yeah. Good evening, everybody. My name is Suresh. I am presently working in BSNL as executive engineer, electrical. Since I'm working in BSNL since 27 years. Earlier to this, I was working in Kirloskar for 3 years. So my total experience in the field of electrical engineering is nearly 30 years. I have completed the energy auditors course conducted by BE in 2017, and we are carrying out this energy auditing for our department's buildings only. So far we have done some nearly 10 to 12 buildings auditing, and sufficient energy savings was also achieved by us. Presently I am in Bangalore, and I'm working in Division 1, Bangalore PSC.
Mr. James, do you know? Mr. James? Yes,
Yeah, good evening, everybody. Actually, I am traveling, so maybe you may not be able to hear me properly. Traveling. Actually, we know yeah, of course, but also energy management around 31 years in India and overseas. I represent continually. Actually, I registered for this IAEME. Unfortunately, before I make the payment, I lost the connection. Actually, not connection. The link. Actually. Maybe already my application is there pending. Actually, maybe if you send me the payment link, I will make the payment and to become a lifetime member. You can check my name, EX James. It will be there. Anyway, nice to see you all.
Okay, sir. I'll see the payment status and I'll revert back on that.
Yeah. You please send me the link,
And
link for the payment. I want to make another application. I'll just click and let's complete
in the chat box, if you can mention your phone number and all, I'll contact you separately.
Okay. Very kind of you. Okay, thank you.
Mr. Nambi Rajan.
I'm Nambi Rajan, working in NLC India Limited, presently at Chennai. I'm having 35 years of experience in power plant and power trading, energy conservation activities. All these, I'm having around 35 years. I'm basically mechanical engineer. I completed my energy audit exam in 2006. So that is the background of it. I would like to join IAMB.
Yes, sir. Welcome.
Thank you.
Mr. Murthy, GSN Murthy.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, all of you. Sir, actually, I am working as a assistant division engineer in TS Genco. I have 20 years of experience in thermal power plant. I worked as energy manager for Vijayawada Thermal Power Station for about 3 years. Looked after all plant correspondence. I am certified energy auditor in the year 2008. I want to join IEM.
Mr. Krishna Jat. Mr. Krishna Jat. Kisan. Okay. Mr. Vivekanand.
Yes, my introduction is completed.
Yes, sir. Yes. Mr. Uday Kumar.
Yes, good evening to everyone and good evening, sir. I'm Uday Kumar. Actually, I have 37 years of experience in the gas-based power plant and coal-based power plant. I started my career in the ISRO as scientist, then joined in Naval Lignite Corporation. Nambi Rajan, also my colleague in that angle. And I joined Navy and around 12 years I worked there. After that, I shifted my career from coal-based to gas-based in Rolls-Royce, as well as a PPN power plant, and then Lanco, and then I worked for Sravanti Energy Private Limited as Director Power Operations. And then I retired in 2019 and worked for Tata Consultancy as IoT expert, the domain expert on power generation and performance enhancement and energy conservation and heat rate all. So now I resigned TCS also and relaxing my time, and I would like to join the same forum. It will be my pleasure to join and to have chat with all our friends and professionals. That is what myself. I am now in Dindikal, not in Chennai. I am in Dindikal. Online I will be joining and everything. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Mr. Mansoor Mohammed. Mansoor ji, boliye sir.
Yeah, good evening, everybody. I have completed my energy auditor examination in 2012. So I have around 25 years experience in various fields. I worked in AP, SCB, then AP Transco. I was working mostly in substations, actually substation design, construction engineer. Now I'm working in GE. for the sales of Tamil Nadu division. So that is brief about me. Thank you.
Mr. Nagesh Kulkarni. Mr. Nagesh.
Good evening,
Nagesh.
all. I am Nagesh Kulkarni. Basically, I am a mechanical engineer, having more than 30 years experience in pharma companies. I am a certified energy auditor. In addition to this, I have done MBA in energy management as well as MBA in information technology. I am a PMP certified by PMI and working as a associate director in Pharma Cipla Limited. That's all about me. I'm very much interested in continuing my future career in this energy conservation, energy saving projects actually. Thank you.
Great. Mr. Tikendra. Mr. Tikendra is already an IME member today.
Yeah, good evening, sir. Am I audible, sir?
Yes.
Yeah, myself Tikendra Chandaka, sir. Currently, I am working in a TRN Energy. It's a thermal power plant, 2 into 330 megawatt, and I am working here as an operation manager. And my qualification is a BE Mechanical and PGDC from NPTI and MTech in a power plant engineering and energy management. And my total experience is 13 plus years of experience. And I am an energy manager in our plant. So that's all, sir.
Mr. Sushant Kamal.
Yes, sir. Yes, 1 minute. Sir. Hello, sir. Good evening, all. I am Sushanta Kamal. I am graduate in engineering. I am the associate member of Institute of Engineers, and I have 28 years of experience in this field and in maintenance engineering as well as the operation engineering. So presently I am heading as a corporate engineer of private group of hotels, and I am the PMP certified as well as I completed my I'm the GEM CP also, so green building certification, plus I am the NABH auditor, which is I'm doing the certification of energy audit as well as the facility certification for the hospitals. Thank you, sir. That's all from my side, sir.
Okay. Mr. Tarun Popli.
Yeah, good evening, everyone. I'm Tarun Popli. I'm certified energy auditor from BE. Currently, I'm working with Tata Power in business development group. So keen to know about this organization and the things you are doing.
Great, sir. I hope. And now, Mr. Sai Kishore Bajaj. Mr. Sai Kishore Bajaj, please. Okay, I'm moving to the next. Mr. Pradeep Sharma ji. Pradeep Sharma ji. Mr. Okay. Now, Mr. Jalaluddin, HMH Jalaluddin, he has become a member.
Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
Pradeep,
Am I audible?
please. Yes, Pradeep sir, please.
Yeah. Good evening to all of you. I am Pradeep Sharma. I am a mechanical engineer. I have done PG diploma in power plant engineering from NPTI. I have done MBA from IGNOU and MTech from IIT Delhi in energy management. I am having 19 years of experience in various thermal power plants and industries like ISJAC, Hindalco, and Balco, Bharat Aluminium Company Limited, and BHEL. I am fellow member of Institute of Engineers, IEI, and I am looking for an opportunity in the energy management field. I will be happy to join the membership. Thank you very much.
Mr. Jalaluddin, today he has joined IMT. And sir, please.
Good evening. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, audible. Loud and clear.
Good evening. Good evening to everybody. I'm basically electrical engineer. Throughout my service, I'm in All India Radio. This is my energy auditing is my interested field. 2012, I completed my energy auditor course and I'm a certified auditor. I'm interested in this field. That's why I joined this group. I hope this will be fruitful. Thank you.
Mr. Ravi Chetan. Mr. Ravi Chetan. Okay. Sai Kishore Bajaj ji hai. Okay. Dr. Surya Kumar Singh.
Actually, I joined late, so I don't know. Is it an introduction or something?
Yes, sir. We are just going for 30-second intro
Okay.
for each so that we can know each other.
Okay, so my name is Surya Kumar Singh. I'm basically a mechanical engineer from IIT Kharagpur. I passed in 82 and now I'm retired from Grasim Industry Limited as Senior Vice President, presently settled in Indore. So I have a lot, so many degrees. I'm a PhD also in HR. I have done LLB also. So I certified energy auditor. So let us see how I will be helpful to this organization so that it will be for mutual benefit of each other. So looking forward to having a good association with this. Thank you.
Mr. V.K. Vegas. Mr. V.K. Vegas. Vegas ji, please. Subramaniam Saab, J. Subramaniam. Mr. J. Subramaniam. I think Mr. Lovedeep Grover.
Yeah, good evening all. Myself Lavneet. I am based out in Gurugram. I am electrical engineer. I am B certified energy auditor and I am having experience of 20 plus of experience in this operations and maintenance. Thank you.
Mr. J. Subramaniam, please. Sir, go ahead. आपका वॉइस बहुत लो आ रहा है सर सुब्रमण्यम साहब. Okay. We could read the caption, sir, but great to know that you are a professor in mechanical engineering department. And Mr. Mahesh Gold, please, 30-second introduction. Mr. Mahesh Gold, please.
Hi, sir. This is Mahesh Gold.
Yes.
Sir. I am working in TG Tech Power Plant, sir, in Kurnool, Andhra Pradesh. I am certified energy manager, sir. Hello, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, audible, sir. Audible. Okay. Mr. Sangumam, your 30-second introduction, please.
Yes, sir. Very good evening to all. This is Srinivasan from Chennai. I am basically an electrical engineer, having 20 plus experience in the field of operation maintenance. Now, currently, I am taking care of energy management activities in Mahindra & Mahindra Limited.
Okay.
That's it.
Mr. Suresh, please.
Yes, sir. Good evening to all, sir. Myself, P. Suresh from JSW Steel Limited, Salem Works, sir. I'm working in captive power plant, 3 into 30 megawatt, as an operation manager and looking of all the energy related activities of JSW Steel Limited also. So all steel sectors I am looking of for energy steel sectors. So I am keen interest in joining in this IAMP sector, sir, for getting all the.
Okay, great. Mr. Guru Prasad. Mr. Guru Prasad, he is an IMT member and newly joined, and he's very doing a great work for IMT also. Guru Prasad
Unmute
ji,
yourself, please.
unmute kar lijiye, please.
Unmute.
Sir. Okay, sir. Sir, yes, Guru Prasad Acharya, sir. I am working as energy manager in 3 into 800 megawatt thermal power plant in AP Genco, sir. I have completed my ISO 50001 internal auditor course and also MTech from the Bharat University, Chennai. I have already completed 6 energy audits as a certified energy auditor in thermal power plants, cement plants, and gas power plants, sir. I am life member of this IAEMP group, sir. It is very fortunate to me to be a life member of this IAEMP, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Mr. Krishnan Maharaj. Mr. Krishnan. Yes, sir, please.
Yeah, good evening, all. I'm Krishnan, chemical engineer, 16 years of experience in refining oil and gas industry, energy auditor, and I also completed ISO 50001 energy auditing, lead energy auditor. Excited to see a lot of experienced professional, interested to gain knowledge and to contribute towards energy management consulting. Thanks a lot.
Yes. Now, if I miss somebody, they can raise their hand so that I can call their names. Now, we have 2 new members again joining, and almost we have touched 32 till now. And any new members just joined. Mr. Ankush Makkar, your 30-second introduction, please, so that we can quickly close the introduction ceremony and then you can go more wide. Mr. Ankush, just introduce yourself, please. Maybe in 30 seconds. I think. Unmute, please. Unmute kar lijiye, please. Mr. Ankush, please unmute yourself and you can introduce yourself. वहां पे बटन है जिसमें आप अनम्यूट कर सकते हैं आपको. Okay, in the meantime, I can go ahead with Mr. P. Singh. Panchadanand Singh. Sir, you can unmute yourself and give your 30-second. Yes, please.
Yeah, myself Panchadanand Singh, speaking from Delhi.
Yes. Okay.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Actually, some signal is low. I could not hear. So.
Okay. Okay. So anybody I missed, they can raise your hands. Or now what is Susab? You want to be introduced or you want to give your introductions?
Hello everyone. I am Sunil Sood, retired from Mecon Limited. I am basically a mechanical engineer, having some expertise in air conditioning, and my energy auditing and energy management thing started in 1991. And since then I did many audits in during that period, and later on I rejoined Mecon and retired from Mecon in 2015. And I've been a basically ground level activist promoting energy conservation, energy efficiency, sustainability, and all that. And I'm one of the founders of IMP, which we started in 2006. Thank you very much.
Now, I'm Goswami. I'm the General Secretary of IMP. I did my master's from ISC Bangalore. I'm an accredited energy auditor. I work in a power consultants, and we are one of the empaneled
Mr.
accredited energy
Subramaniam,
firm.
please unmute.
We are the empaneled accredited energy firm, and my aim is to connect all the future energy professionals into one group and do something for the country, for the mission Sustainable India. We adopted vision document, and there is enough business in the energy efficiency, almost 75,000 crores. So why not to connect each other, do certain activities for the country, and as well as get some revenue and recognition through our internal association. That is my main vision. That's why you have joined all here. I welcome you all. And now it is over to you, Saleja. And if somebody has left, they can introduce themselves. Mr. Neil Megan, kindly. He is already an energy life member. Mr. Neil.
Yeah, I'm Neil Megan, speaking from Salem, Tamil Nadu. I'm, as you said, I'm already a life member of IAEMP. I'm a certified energy manager, having 32 years experience in energy management and maintenance in light engineering industries. And I'm also an external faculty of PCRA. I'm here to share my knowledge and gain some knowledge from this group. Thank you.
Mr. Ravi Chetan, I think your hands, you can introduce yourself.
Yeah, am I audible?
Yes, sir, please.
Yeah, good evening all. My name is Ravi Chetan. I'm a mechanical engineer having more than 14 years of experience. Presently working in an upstream oil and gas company, and did my energy auditor in 2012 and subsequently refresher in 2018. So looking forward to enrich my knowledge and to gain something from this.
Yes, sir. Great. Mr. Sushant Kamal. Mr. Sushant Kamal.
Yes, sir. I already given my introduction.
Yes,
actually, and due to network issue, I rejoined that.
Okay. Anybody I missed? And Mr. B. Deka Paras has joined now. Mr. B. Deka, your introduction, please.
My name is B. Durga Prasad. I am working as Chief General Manager in Dangote Cement, Ethiopia. I did my energy audit exam in second batch, long back. So still I am continuing in my cement industry profession. So right now I am in Ethiopia.
Yeah, hello. I'm Brazen Deka. I'm working as a senior manager in Cement Corporation of India Mechanical. I'm basically a mechanical engineer. I have 24 years of experience in industry. I have done energy auditing in 2014. I have experience in power sector also and paper industry. Currently, I'm in cement industry. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Okay. Mr. Ajit has joined recently, and Mr. Ajit, if you can give your 30-second introductions. Mr. Ajit. Anybody I left, they can raise their hands. Anybody I have missed? Okay. So, sir, I request if introduction is complete, you can briefly describe the history of IMP.
Good evening, everyone. This history of IMP formation, though it was formed in 2006, actually dates back before when the B was formed and a website energymanagertraining.com was established to interact with those who are appearing for the examination. That was the golden period of BE when all of us were getting chance to interact on daily basis rather. There, that collaboration was with the GTZ, German organization. There was one Dr. Koch. He used to give us some topics to write about, to talk about, and they used to declare winners. So, in one of the topics, he had given that whether there is a need for association of energy managers, and if there is a such a association, whether how it will work and how it will be useful, and what it can achieve and all that. So this topic, I wrote article on this topic, and I got first prize on this. They gave me 7,000 rupees prize. That cash prize they used to give, plus of course appreciation. And at that time, in fact, I had written that even if such a wish is fulfilled, it will be very difficult for the association to operate because of so many constraints. I had described those constraints also, but I don't know how this can be overcome. Anyway, from 2003 to 2004-5, it was going on very nicely. Then in 2006, on 26th January, Republic Day, I got this patriotic feeling that we should do something. We should start something. So I sent emails to all those who had appeared for the exam, and that let us form an association. So we got a reply from more than 400 people replied, and out of which majority was from South India actually. And those days I was also in South India. I was in Bangalore, and many from Hyderabad had responded. So we thought of having a meeting, first meeting in Hyderabad. So our first meeting we had on 28th February 2006 in the office of Mr. R. A. Sharma in Sikandrabad. So in the first meeting there were 16 members from all over India, and we thought of starting this association, and some names were suggested, and objectives, what will be the objectives of the association, those were discussed. And we then after a lot of deliberations we came out with one slogan also. That slogan was also suggested based on one book in which the author has actually described what is who is the energy manager. Energy manager, as per them, is one who keeps conscience of the company on energy matters. So we adopted that slogan, and finally it came into being on 29th August 2006, and it was the first association of its kind with a unique slogan of conscious keepers to the nation on energy matters, and with a unique mission. At that time, we thought of coming out with a vision document on how India can achieve energy independence by 2022. Actually, 15 years ago itself, in 2007, we had thought of preparing a document how India can achieve energy independence by 2022. 2022 we linked that time with our political independence 75 years. So it was prepared, and the document was sent to all over, and it was appreciated, and it had lot of action plans and all that. And later on we were doing lot of activities, raising issues with and because many those days many people had some issues regarding the Viva. So in 2006 we raised those issues that Viva is very subjective, and lot of senior people are being humiliated. So for later on this Viva was abolished based on our taking up the issue, and we are also giving good suggestions to be which were being appreciated. And we later on published Urja Watch, we published Home Energy Management News, we published a calendar, and every 2-3 months we used to have physical meetings in some way or other by having some seminar and all that. And we had one Yahoo group. It was the biggest Yahoo group that time. And even Yahoo India actually used our group as a publicity for themselves, that how Yahoo is building communities. Because through the Yahoo platform, we used to have hourly, sometimes hourly discussion, technical discussion, everything. So this all was our achievements, and since then 15 years we have completed, and so far we have been able to keep conscience of the people on energy matters. We never got funded from anyone, from any government agency or from any external agency. Whatever work we did with our own funds, with our own resources. We never compromised our stand, and we are also at the same time being very positively inclined. Sometimes there were some problems with the authorities, but later on all this has been sorted out, and in the recent past, the new committee headed by Mr. Anil Chaudhary, President, and Mr. Bibu Swain, General Secretary. This team is one of the best teams IMP we ever had, and they have been able to bring out a lot of positive new initiatives. So this is a history, and future is very much now bright, because the way new leadership progressing, and now even I am now bit mellowed down. I have stopped my criticism and all that. So I want to contribute in a more positive manner, and let us all, like what we have submitted the suggestions to BE, that how BE can engage certified energy auditor and energy managers. We can whether BE accepts or whether BE comes out forward or not. Now our plan is to create our own path and see that we ourselves engage ourselves, and that is how IMP now poised to take up that role, whereby all of our members will be able to get a chance to work and hands-on and do a lot of activities. With this, I will end my introduction and hand over to Mr. Bihu.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. It is very nice to hear the history of IMP, and particularly from you as a founder member and founder president and chief mentor of IMP. And I have learned a lot from Susa. And today our president is not there because of his prior office engagement, and he is the chief general manager of ESL, Sri Anil Chaudhary. It is a government of India JV company of all the PSUs, and under his dynamic leadership, IMP is marching forward. Let me briefly tell about what exactly we intend to do here. And there is a great history. We recently celebrated our Crystal Jubilee on 29 September 2021, and we have completed our 15 years. In the past, we have contributed a lot for all the draft policy, regulation, formation of the rules, and we initiated the market transformation with distribution of LED lights in 2010-11 times. So now this approach has been taken. We have also distributed smart meters through our gifting philosophy. Whenever a member joined, we try to give back almost 60 to 70% of the fees by way of gift, books, knowledge in terms of pen drive, so that member can get this knowledge, acquire this tool, and be a part for achieving energy efficiency, and again contribute, because almost all our seniors and there were freelancers, consultant working with somebody. So we need provide a good platform. We have a Google group right now. After Yahoo group is not there, we have a Google group. We have a WhatsApp group. We have a Telegram. We have YouTube presence. We have good Facebook presence. It is being currently handled. Our website is not too good. It is being revamped, and we are trying to. But anyhow, whenever we write all the policy discussion. Our views is being taken care by BG, Bureau of Energy Efficiency, by strong leadership. Currently, ED, Executive Director, ESL, has been appointed as our patron member. Under his guidance, we are going ahead. Today, he has a good meeting with ICA, and we are trying to get good assignment from government bodies. And right now, we have not received any fund. It is self-supported fund. We have bank account in various states, and we have various state chapter. We also look into the student chapter, and we drive the student chapter. We train them, we provide them knowledge, and we take minor fees to operate so that they can operate their own. Almost in the south, we have a very good student chapters. And our next target is to have a virtual academy, IMP Virtual Academy, in which we will be preaching to all the future energy professionals, all the energy managers, and we have a stalwarts of energy professionals, very seasoned technical technocrats and technical engineers, and they can give the knowledge. Particularly Mr. Ashok Saturaman, he has written a lot of books. So, and also we are going to start our IMP Sustainability Award. So these are the knowledge disseminations and awareness program which a member can take benefit. The life membership fee is 6,000 rupees, and you can pay online. There is a link available. You can share in the WhatsApp group your number. We'll be sharing this link, and you can always join IMP with a click of 1 minute or 2 minutes maximum, and then we'll add you in the main IMP group and the Google group. Then what we do, we give you, currently you are giving the ESL fan of 5-star rated BLDC fan, which is market value is almost 3,500. We are procured through ESL. We are giving at very lesser discount. Then we are giving you the books, a pen drive, and a membership certificate as a token of your membership. So almost 3,500 we are paying you back and as a member. Now, why to join? Join is basically, one is knowledge, one is networking, one is connectivity. We have a pan-India presence, and it is Indian Association of Energy Management Professionals. The Indian ward is there, and these are the conscious keeper. We don't get any revenue, but we are trying to bring certain business. Currently, let us say PowerTech Consultant is a channel partner. We do got a lot of mutual. We have started doing a lot of mutual business. So now you have a demand. This market is a very big market. All these things need to be transformed. Currently, a lot of MSME are handling a lot of less energy efficient equipment. Now, this market, if you see, if you have read in the books or the any policy paper, it is almost 75,000 crore of business. But there is a knowledge involved. It is not a product sale. Now, knowledge will come with the seasoned technical engineers or technocrats. So, where the IMP plays a greater role. So, if you want to have into sale of energy efficiency appliances, we can do it because a lot of our organizational members, patron members handle those equipment. So, there is a chance to sell and do certain kind of freelancing business. Then, a lot of our auditors get certain business they want to take as a freelancing and do certain activities. So you can be part of audit team and can learn and get a hand-holding support through instrument and technical support. You can be part of audit team and get some revenues. Plus you can write articles. You can be part of the editorial board of the energy, the Urja Watch, our magazine, fortnightly which we publish. And also, particularly in PowerTech and being secretary, I offer a lot of business to our life members. We normally doing power trading activities in which a lot of formalities and can be done. Power trading is a very good activity, and it requires a lot of skills. I hope the way a lot of power plant people are here, a lot of cement industry are there, we can have a good network where we can do mutual business, where IMP does not come into business, but IMP provides a platform. If members are interested, they can do mutual business. So one is revenue, one is recognition, one is social network, and connecting with the like-minded people, and all the seasoned technocrats. These are the benefit of joining IMPs. And I assure you, you will be able to get good business and good platform to network each other. With this, I conclude. I would like to take a few questions. We will be closing by 9 o'clock. Any questions you can write to us. And anybody want to have Saleja is there. He's the coordinator. His number I'm writing out, and my number also I'm giving in the chat box. You can note down, and there is a mail you send, and we'll send all the application form, everything. Any queries, kindly raise your hands. We can take it up. Chase Infinity 2019 and Rajalingo ji, Rajalingo Reveli. You have raised your hand. Kindly put your questions, sir. Unmute yourself and put your questions.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Please go ahead.
Myself, Reveli Rajalingo. I am working as a assistant divisional engineer in NPDCL Warangal.
Yes, sir. Yes.
And that's why myself introduction, sir.
Yes, I will read you. Okay. Yes.
Due to communication, due to bad signal, I am unable to interact with you, sir.
Okay. Any queries?
Sir, thank you, sir. This is a very good opportunity to me, sir.
Yes. Vikas Patil has left. He has a mail address. We'll resolve his issues and we'll send his application form.
Okay, sir. Sure, sir.
Okay. Suresh Sekhar ji wanted to. I am reading the question in the chat box. Suresh Sekhar ji wanted to apply for registration. And Suresh Sekhar ji, if you can give your phone number, WhatsApp number, we'll message you the link and all.
Sir, I have already paid the amount.
Okay, sir. Sir, your mobile number, just write down or email address so that I can take it and.
It's 944 900 7881.
Sir, if you can put it in the chat box, it will be great.
Yeah, definitely. Sir, I have one doubt. Yes. I have cleared energy audit exam in 2008 way back, and afterwards we could not do any refresher course or something. But recently we applied for some refreshing course and nothing came out from BE for us. No option was given. Even though we paid the amount, we could not get any link.
Right now, Green Trend and team was doing the refresher course, and just phase 2 refresher course was over. Phase 1 was over. There is a faculty there also, but phase 3 is yet to start, and a lot of people have registered, and we will notify soon about the courses. But it is not yet started.
Yeah, and so one more thing, sir.
Paid the 500 fees. Let us wait till we goes with the course.
Yeah. Already payment necessary things have already been made. Only thing I could not get any information or any link for further processing the case. That's what.
Okay, sir. Okay. Any other query? Yes, Mr. Uday Kumar ji. Uday Saab,
yes, sir. Good evening. I am Uday Kumar. Actually, I have completed my energy manager in 2004 itself, sir, not in energy auditor. And from 2004 means from 1983, I started working in the power plant from after ISRO Navy all. Then 2004, I have completed energy auditor because they have nominated these people have to do energy manager. So I have done energy manager. In spite I could do energy auditor. Okay. Now after that, I didn't do a refresh because of my work engagements and GM, all this position. Okay. By experience, we got a lot of ESCO projects have been implemented in the number of power plants. So I am eligible to be there in this forum as a member by experience. I'm not having any valid certificate. I know that 2004 that the energy manager is not valid as of now. Many people are in that category also. So because of our experience, and we have done energy conservation cell, because as a general manager or ED or vice president or director, we have headed that energy conservation, and we have done lot of energy conservation projects in the power plants. Just I want to understand, because I want to be there in this forum anyway. Still, I want to understand it.
Sir, you are always welcome, and you have all the qualification, expertise to be in the forum. And just feel free and join the membership by clicking the online link. And your experience shows that you can do a great work, because ESCO is the future business. Energy audit is for the past business. Now, if you can prove to the market that ESCO is possible, then the getting repayment and all it will be easier. And since you have good expertise, I think you can do wonders. And as far as mutual business is concerned, we are going ahead with future ESCO activities. ESL is the national ESCO. They are supporting IMP in a big way. So we are also a ESCO working in Odisha. And whatever the expertise we will be having, we will be sharing with all mutual members, so that it will be a mutual business. So I think you should join, and you can always join IMP.
No, thank you, sir. Thank you. I will share whatever we have implemented in the IPPs as the energy conservation projects, certainly for the benefit of everyone, not at the, I want to share our knowledge, that's all. Yes. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Mr. Rajlingu, sir, आपका queries कुछ है, Mr. Rajlingu? Anybody can raise their chat and either drop their question in the chat box. Mr. Rajlingu and Mr. Sripad Gopi Krishna, you have raised your hand, sir. Please put your question.
Just I want to introduce, because I'm waiting for a long time.
Yes, sir. Please.
I'm Gopi Krishna. I passed in 2013 energy auditor course. So already I applied last year for the refresher course. I submitted the application form also and paid the amount also. Not received any communication. Then afterwards, 2 days back again I paid. I don't know whether one small problem is there, this one, refresher course. Once already paid, again it is accepting the payment. So once we already paid, that should show you are already registered, you need not to pay, wait for the notification. So I am in the confusion, again I paid. It is taking several times, multiple times it is accepting the payments. The refresh course online.
Okay, this is regarding the refresher course you are talking about, correct, sir?
Refresher course. Because already I completed 5 years, 2018 completed. So I had to mandatory, I think, refresher course to be completed.
Sir, I think within 5 years, in the next 5 years, you can do it. 2018, they have not yet started, as far as I know. 2018 it will be start late, so I think you need to see the NPC notice and B notice, and it will come in the public domain. Then you should apply.
Okay. Already applied and submitted, waiting for the course date notification.
Okay. I think we need to wait till we give a fresh notifications.
Please send the link. I will join as a member of this prestigious organization. I've seen in the WhatsApp all the news immediately. I am from Visakhapatnam. I am working as a deputy general manager in Vizag Steel Plant.
Oh, great, sir, great.
I am associating. I am actually, along with the certified energy auditor, I am the internal auditor, lead auditor for the ISO 9000 and this 50,000, 45,000, and 14,000, all 4 systems. So I am doing the energy auditing of my company, because company won't allow to go outside of the, as the policy of the public sector undertaking, we are not allowed to go outside actually auditing. So I am doing my internal audits, both management and equipment audits. So along with energy also, I am associated with quality auditing I am doing, and environmental and this washers also. So I can share my experience with the forum. At the same time, mutual benefit win-win definitely will be there with the association. I benefited. I am the member of the Institution of Engineers. At the same time, member of the Institute of Welding also. I did the joint secretary and general secretary for this Indian Institute of Welding also for my Vizag chapter.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So
Okay. Great, sir. Great. Great.
definitely will contribute to this one because Vizag Steel Plant is a massive, very big organization. So many people are there actually doing this. So I can take initiative to communicate to my colleagues and in my company also. So
Okay, it will be great, sir. It will be great.
definitely I'll join
Now, okay. Any other queries? I think three hands are raised. Chase Infinity 2019, Rajalinga Raveli, and okay, 2 hands. Any queries or is there anything in the chat box? You can always take it up. Okay, I think no more queries. Shailaja, you are not being introduced. Kindly introduce, if you are there, kindly introduce yourself, and it is over to you. So that everybody can switch on the video, we can take a good photograph. Shailaja, you can introduce yourself and go for the closing and vote of thanks.
Yes, sir. I'm Shailaja from PowerTech, consultant and coordinator of IAMP. It is nice meeting, and this was an amazing panel discussion, and I truly thank you, all our honorable speaker, for their knowledge and their times. I'd like to thank our participants for attending this online panel discussion and showing their love and enthusiasm to join IAMP through their participation. Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, if it is not inconvenient to all of you, I request you to switch on the videos so that we can take a good photographs, and all the numbers are there. Shailaja number is also there. You can always do a chat box. Whatever number is there, we'll be always again sending you the WhatsApp details and online link. Kindly do join IAMP, and I am sure that it will be beneficial for all of us and to the nation as a whole. We are the conscious keepers, and we see that we will contribute a lot to our nation development as far as the energy and sustainability are concerned. Kindly switch on your videos so that we can take a good photographs for our memory, and please write to us and join all the forum and like our social media, and we get to know a lot of development happening in IAMP. So please, sir, switch on the videos. Everybody, I request if you can switch on the video, I will take good photographs. Okay, thank you. So, sir, shall we close? It is almost 9. Yes, thank you all. It is nice talking to you all.
Thank
you, sir.
Thank you, sir. It was nice.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
ಏನ್ ಡ್ಯಾಡಿ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು